Yo! What is good? Welcome back to Josh on Point mga pare. So ngayon ang pag-uusapan natin, bakit saying no will make them respect you. So kung ready ka na, hit mo na yung like button, share mo na rin, and let's go! Okay pare, as usual pare, before tayo mag-start, the perfumes natin pare, yung JOP fragrance natin are still available sa Shopee and TikTok shop. Wala na kayong kailangang ibang pabango pare. Itong tatlo na to, for every occasions pare, pasok tong tatlo na to. Wala ka nang kailangang iba. Affordable na, long lasting pa. Sulit na sulit yung pera nyo dito pare. Available sa mga shops natin. Link in the description. Itong pag-uusapan natin, galing sa isang video na sinend sa atin ng isang follower subscriber natin. Show ata siya sa YouTube, pare. Kinuha yung concept sa US, which is may pupuntang lalaki or babae, tapos yung mga pipili sa kanya magpuputok ng balloon kung nagustuhan ba siya or not. Basta alam ko, I'm sure alam niyo yan, no? So ito Pinoy version, pare, no? Actually, meron akong video sa TikTok at Facebook na nag-react ako dito. Isa sa mga videos nila pare. Kasi sobrang cringe yung Golden Retriever Boy. Ito pare, yung lalaki dito, no? Mayroon tayo makukuhang lesson sa kanya. Panoorin natin itong video na to.
Tell us your name, your age, and your job.
Yuri, 34 years young, and I work as a martial arts instructor, and I host events. Something I've been doing for a very long time, 22 years.
Alright, and how about...
Okay, kung napanood niyo yung video ko doon pare about sa Golden Retriever Boy, okay? Ikumpara niyo yung tindigan nun at yung tindigan nito ni tropa dito, si Yuri. Based sa sinabi niya pare, okay, martial arts instructor daw siya. So, kitang-kita yung sa tindig niya pare, no? Malaki pa siya. At yung tayo niya. Sa tayo niya pare, sa tindig niya, alam nyong may dating kagad si tropa. Okay? I-add mo pa yung laki ng boses niya pare.
Your hobbies or what do you like to do for fun?
What I like to do for fun? I like to appear in the first episode and then appear in the second episode. I don't think she has personality.
Do you have anything to say? What's your ideal partner or mga personality traits that you look for in an ideal partner?
I have a high tolerance to BS, which means it would really take so much for you to offend me or for you to hurt me. The only thing I ask of a woman is loyalty.
And how about mga...
Okay, so based dun sa sagot niya pare, alam mong... well, 34 years old na to, no? Mature na yung mga deal breakers niya.
Deal breakers.
She's not loyal.
Alright, so basically that.
Simple.
Okay, well, as you can see, we have some pop balloons. So let's go over here and find out why.
Hi, I'm Pao. I'm 28 years old, clinical clerk in the medical field. Nice to see you again. Okay, so my reason is still the same reason I said nung first episode. It's because I'm not ready dun sa parang magiging setup if we end up together since you have a kid na. So, yun lang.
You really had to expose me like that, right?
Oh! Narinig niyo sabi ng babae pare, hindi pa daw siya ready. No, ayaw niya dun sa... Pinutok niya yung lobo niya kasi daw si tropa may anak. So, hindi ba daw siya ready pumasok sa ganong relationship? Aba! Okay lang pala sa mga babae sabihin yun. Di ba? Kasi alam ko pagka kami nagsabi nun, pag tayo nagsabi nun, pre, di ba? Hindi pa kami ready. Anong sasabihin ng mga babae? You're not a real man. Di ba? Oh. So sila rin pala. Bakit kaya? No? Bakit kaya hindi po, bakit kaya ayaw niya ng may anak? Di ba? Gusto ko malaman, no? Gusto ko malaman. Curious ako.
It's okay.
Spoiler alert!
Sorry.
And how about you? How about in this episode? Is she your type or someone you would go out on a date with?
I remember saying that I would go out with her, so my answer is still the same.
Alright. You sure you don't want your balloon back? Okay, thank you so much.
Hindi in-explain pare. No? Sayang, gusto ko marinig bakit. Kasi pag sa lalaki galing yung hindi pa ako ready, no? Hindi pa ako ready sa may anak eh. Ang dami mong maririnig eh, di ba? Well, pag lalaki sinabihan ng babae nagsabi dun sa lalaki, alam natin agad eh, di ba? Kasi syempre, alam namin hindi ka pa ready, responsibilidad to. So, yun na yun, no? Wala kang maririnig sa amin na gano'n na, so you're not a real woman, di ba? So, sige, tuloy natin.
So we heard someone pop over here. Hello?
Ellie, 27 years old, corporate accountant, nagpapako because I don't think we'll get along lang, like, based on the vibes. You know?
Any specific vibe or reason?
Parang ano lang siya, medyo parang gut yung feel niya. With all the black and the new chains. And...
Do you have any response to
I'm
that?
sure that
Got? G-O-T-H, ibig niya sabihin, no? Got daw kasi all black si tropa, sabi niya ganun. So, hindi niya siguro trip yung mga got style, no? Pero, na-weirdoan ako dun, na. Naka-all black ka lang, got. Pero wala, yun ang gusto niya, eh.
that's not what she meant.
What do you think?
Not what I think. I know she means, well, I like a guy who I can control. Obviously, this guy's too big for me to control. I can't control this guy.
Is that what you meant by that?
Not really, I didn't really think that deep.
And a lot of times, women would say one thing and mean the other.
Okay, that's what you think?
All right, and is she...
Okay, so agree ako dun sa sinabi niya, no? That yung huli niya sinabi that girl will say one thing but mean another. Lagi natin pinag-uusapan yan dito. Huwag ka masyadong magpapaniwala sa sinasabi nila. Doon ka sa magbase sa galaw nila. Kasi minsan, nagsasalita lang sila pero hindi nila yun minimin. Diba? For the sake of ano lang yan, mga babae. Pero hindi ko magets saan niya nakuha yung sinabi ng babae na ayoko ng gut na outfit kasi all black siya. Pero sabi ni tropa ang basa niya doon sa pagkakasabi ng babae, ayaw daw niya ng hindi niya makontrol, no? Hindi ko sure saan galing yun, pare. Parang layo nun, Brad. O hindi ko sure, baka mamaya kinakat-cut na to dito sa TikTok, hindi ko sure, no? Pero labo lang nun.
Or someone you'd go out on a date with?
She is.
And you sure you don't want your balloon back?
I'm good, thank you.
All right, so...
Pero ito pare, mag-observe kayo Observe nyo pare, no? Sa lahat ng sasabihin sa kanya, meron siyang nire-rebat sa mga babae, no? Pag-uusapan natin yung mamaya.
Well, let's go over here.
Hi, I'm Jen. I'm 26 years old. I work in the advertising industry. So basically, I have the same reason because I've just heard that he has a child. And that's a deal breaker for me.
Any response to that?
Okay, I'll make your life
Deal breaker, no? Deal breaker daw sa girl yung may anak na. Ba? Ayos Kayo rin pala, no? So, nakaka-relate kayo sa amin pag ayaw namin ng mga single mom, no?
it's easier. I don't have a child. I have children. So, plural. Okay? Pinadali ko na, hindi, okay lang yung one child. Pero two na rin na. So, I'm saying I don't have a child. I have children.
Dalawa na anak ni tropa.
And is she
Okay.
someone who's your type or someone you go out on a
I'll
date
go out
with?
with her.
All right, and you're sure you'd like to keep your balloon up?
Up, yes.
All right, thank you so much. All right, I think we heard some...
So, dalawa na anak ni tropa. Siguro hiwalay na. Siyempre, nasa dating show no? So, malamang sa malamang. Hiwalay na to, no?
pop balloons over here.
Hi, so my name is Jamie. I'm 23 years old and I'm a barista. So the reason why I popped is because of the age difference. Feel ko kasi at this point, hindi pa ako ganun ka, like, mature. I mean, I know myself enough to know kung ano yung range din, yung parang kaya kong makipag-communicate. And I know I can communicate well kasi you speak very eloquently. And yun lang, parang sa akin, feel ko hindi ko rin ma-match yung ibang parang yung topics natin, ganun. But nonetheless, okay lang naman po siya.
Would you like to say anything in response to that?
There's such thing as non-verbal language. We can match there.
Non-verbal daw.
I don't know.
And I wanna share with you that it's not all the time that we have to agree to all things. Just imagine you're a barista. I don't even know how to make my own coffee. Assuming, but I do, okay? Don't you think it compliments that I don't know something you do, and you don't know something I do? It's not all the time that we're supposed to know everything together.
I I feel like it would be possible naman that that we could communicate well. Tama naman pa with non-verbal cues. But for me talaga, hindi ko kasi nakikitang like, magkakaroon ako ng like, ka-communicate ako well, especially with an older. Like, so,
Excuses.
Like, the age difference dun talaga yung issue sa akin.
And is she someone who's your type, or
I'll
would
go
you
out
go?
with her, for
Yeah.
sure. Nice smile. I think in comparison with how you perceive me, I have a different perception of you. I think we are gonna get along well.
So, na-gets nyo pare kung ano ibig natin sabihin na by saying no, you will get respect. No? Mamaya ilalaliman natin mamaya. No? Pero, kung nakikita ninyo pare, ang ginagawa ni Tropa, no? Pag ayaw sa kanya, inaalam kung bakit. At the same time, may sagot siya. No? Para ma-rebat kung bakit. Pero not in a debate way. No? Kumbaga, sinasabi niya sa babae, kung ano yung ayaw mo sa akin, di ba? Ito yung mga way para magustuhan mo ako. So, maganda yung pagkaka-atake niya. At the same time, gusto ko yung ginagawa niya na kahit ayaw sa kanya pare, no? Sinasabi niya na, would you date her? Sasabihin niya, yes. Okay, kahit ayaw sa kanya. Para sa akin, good move yun, no? Kasi, pero ako kasi medyo picky ako pare, no? Choosy ako. Choosy ako eh. Pagka ayaw sa akin, ayaw ko na rin, di ba? So, pero siya, is being a gentleman ng konti kasi ayaw niya mag-burn ng bridges. Ako, gets ko yung ganitong game. No? Gets ko yung ganitong game kasi the more na wala kang binoburn na bridges, marami kang pwedeng daanan. Nagets nyo ba pare? So, sinasabi niya na I would go date her kasi after ng show, pwede silang mag-link up ulit, di ba? Nagbago isip ni babae. Boom! Di ba? May opportunity. So, nagets ko yung game niya doon and is being a gentleman at the same time, no? Hindi siya push over. Okay, pag ayaw sa kanya, may sinabi na thing na ayaw sa kanya, ine-explain niya kung bakit pwedeng ma-work yun. So, nakikita mo yung maturity ni Tropa, hindi rin siya masyadong inaano ng mga babae. Nakikita yung nare-respect ng babae yung mga sagot niya. No? Kasi, sabihin natin mamaya.
Ooh. Do you want the balloon back?
I'm not sure yet.
Okay, think about it. Okay.
I'll inflate
So
it for you.
there's a maybe. Oh, should I put them mag-inflate for you? Don't you feel special? Acts of service ba yung ano niya, yung love language? Okay. Alright, so I'll come back to you later in case you change your mind. Okay, so let's go over here.
I'm Bea, I'm 27, also a barista. The reason why I popped the balloon, kasi 2 children. Kung 1, kaya pa. Pero ayun, sa age, good. Sa height, okay. Tapos the way, very confident. Pero dalawin, kaisa lang.
Uy, pwede pala nila sabihin yun, pare. So, kailangan, ito, ipopost ko sa TikTok to. Ipopost ko sa TikTok to, pare, na deal breaker pala sa babae ang 2 anak, 1 anak, di ba? So, di ba, pwede nyo palang sabihin yun. Alam nyo pala kung bakit. Bakit pag lalaki yan nagsasabi, ang dami yung binubungangan, di ba? So, sige.
And
Any response to that?
Well, I don't have 2 children.
3.
I don't want to say anymore. You might pop. You might pop.
Okay, so a secret for after the episode then. Alright, pero is she someone who's your type? Would you go out on a date with her?
I'll go out with her for sure.
Oh, okay. And you want to keep your balloon pop pa rin, or do you want the balloon back?
I just want to address the reason I still say that I'm gonna go out with her despite the disagreement because I like it that way. You probably know something I don't. That's why you're disagreeing. Disagree with the energy, the thoughts, the beliefs in life. I think it does help if we agree on a lot of things. The only way we grow is we stretch each other. Disagreement does that. So to grow, we have to disagree. If I am looking for someone who I can quote-unquote wife, I have to grow with that person. We can't just chill all day. I want to get rich with that woman.
Okay. Would you like
So,
to say?
na-gets nyo pare, no? Sinabi niya kung bakit sinasabi niya pa rin na I would go date kahit ayaw niya kasi yun yung reason, no? Pero possible nga na hindi nga siya nagbo-burn ng bridges, pare, kasi, di ba? Sabi niya nga, later on, baka magbago yung isip. And we can continue this. So, tama yung sinabi ko kanina, pare. So, gets ko yung game na ganun, Brad, eh. Pero kasi, yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, medyo choosy ako, eh. Wala naman akong nakikitang deserve ng oo ko kahit ayaw sa akin. Alam niyo, nagigets niyo ba ako? Kasi kung sobrang chicks na chicks to mga to, kahit umayaw ka sa akin, I will not burn bridges kasi, uy, na chicks to. Pero, well, di ko naman sinasabing pangit sila. Di ko lang type, okay?
Anything in response to that? Okay, thank you. Let's go over here. So this time, it's the girl's turn to ask you a question.
Hello, I'm Ali. I'm 28 years old. I work in an advertising agency. Before I say my question, can I say something? You're actually my type. Like everything. Like height, tattoos. I'm okay with tattoos. Also your voice, it's...
So, yung voice daw, kung si tropa ay single, no, walang anak, I think lahat tong mga to, oo to sa kanya. Kasi matangkad, okay yung forma, malaki boses, medyo malakas dating, may tattoo, malaki katawan, di ba? So, kaso, deal breaker talaga. Kahit kanino, wag na tayo mag-bullshitan yung may anak. Okay? May anak. Kasi, siyempre, single ka. Kunyari, ako single ako. Wala pa naman ako na. Tapos papasok ako sa relationship na may responsibilidad ka agad. Gusto ko muna mag-enjoy. Diba? So, alam ng mga babae yan. Sila nga rin ayaw nila. Diba?
The children thing later. But anyway. Okay, and then for my question, what do you think of people who are into like K-pop, P-pop, those people who have ultimate biases, like they put them on their phone screen, like that?
My 2 daughters are like that.
Your 2 daughters. So they're 2. Okay, so you have 2 kids. It's not more.
So I don't have a problem with that.
Oh,
I mean,
the
it's
K-pop fans
cringy at
also.
first. I mean, what is it about them that you girls like?
Okay.
And remembering, my daughters are girls, so it is what it is.
Yeah, sa akin din, pare, wala namang problema talaga. No, napag-uusapan natin dito yan, yung kung may biases ka sa K-pop, okay, good, sige. Di ba? Ang pangit lang kasi, no, at ibang fans nang gumagawa nito sa K-pop na yan is kino-compare na yung mga biases na dun sa boyfriend nila. Yun ang pangit eh. Di ba? Parang, okay, sige, may crush ka, pero dito tayo sa realidad. Di ba? Doon pumunta ka pa rin sa realidad. Yung iba, may crush na, yung utak pa nila, pumupunta pa sa fantasy na kesyo gusto nila yung di ba, ginagawa ng boyfriend nila, yung suot, yung itsura. Ang corny na di ba? Parang abnormal na pare, di ba? So yun ang ko doon. Pero kung may crush ka, walang problema yan, di ba? Biases mo, maliit na bagay. Huwag mo lang talagang ilabas sa reality yung delusion mo kasi corny na.
I don't have to love them. If your question is whether or not I can accept someone who is a fan of K-pop and this and that, I can. Just like what I said earlier, I have an extremely high tolerance to a lot of things.
And you had a follow-up question? Yeah.
How about those who are into like boy love? Boy to boy.
Okay, boy love, boy to boy. What do you mean? What's the question?
They just watch series about it. That's it.
Are you asking me if
if
I
you're
watch
okay
it?
with no.
Or someone who
If
is
you're
okay with that?
If you accept someone who likes that kind.
Partner who watches.
I believe that, assuming that I don't like it,
Okay.
I know for a fact that relationships do change people.
Yeah.
And assuming that we get together and you become my girlfriend and this and that, one way or the other, it's either you change me or I change you. So what I'm saying is I'm okay with that.
Okay.
Kasi during the long run, hindi ako okay. I still have hopes that it might change.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Ako, medyo tagilid ako doon sa sagot ni Tropa, no? Alam ko kung bakit niya sinabi na you can change me, I can change you. No? Because ang gusto niya, siya mag-change sa babae, which is okay lang. No? And it's a safe way na sabihin na Hindi, ayoko niyan eh. Di ba? Baka yung mga gusto ko na lang ang panoorin ng papanoorin natin. And nagigets ko rin si girl, may gusto siyang hulihin eh. No? Hinuhuli niya kung pareho sila ng political standpoint nung lalaki. No? Para sa akin, makarinig ko yung mga ganong tanong, ayoko na sa'yo. Ako magpapap ng balon mo. Hinuhuli niya yung lalaki kung pareho sila ng political standpoint. Kasi sabihin niya, it's a boy-to-boy love. It's a safe way na sabihin na okay lang ba sa'yo yung badingan, baklaan na panoorin natin. Di ba? Ako, siyempre isipin mo bilang babae ka, straight yung boyfriend mo. Di ba? Straight yung boyfriend mo. Kaya nga, gusto niya dyan sa dating show ninyo, naghahanap siya ng babae, kasi babae gusto niya. Ano ina-expect ko? Bakit gugustuhin niyang manood ng boy-to-boy na show? Di ba? Di ba? Hindi siya nag-make sense. So ako, magpapap ako ng balon kasi yung babae nanguhuli ng political standpoint. Ayoko ng tatao na binibase yung dating preference sa political standpoint kasi for sure ako, political ang personality mo, which is I don't like. Ako magpapap ng balon na ito.
Hi, I'm Samantha. I'm 29 years old and I'm a freelance actress.
Uy, okay. Sa lahat ng nandito, si Sam ang okay.
My question
At hindi siya nagputok ng balloon, okay? So, okay siya sa single dad. Okay? So, narinig niya rin how the man talk. So, for sure, gusto niya ng confident na lalaki, kumbaga, assertive na lalaki. So, tingnan natin.
How or what do you think about having a different mentality since I've heard a while ago that you have children, which is fine. It's actually a deal breaker for me. However, upon hearing on how you talk, on how you answer, I think we can match. Marami akong matututunan sa'yo, marami akong bagay na bagong malalaman. Since I don't have a child yet, yung different mentality lang. Kasi, for me, I wanted to know you more. Ayoko siyang sabihin dito. Kasi, sasabihin mo na yung yeah. What do you think about it lang? Kasi, if we date outside, I'm looking for something alpha, like wolf ba? Hindi fox, like wolf talaga yung mangunguna. And I tend to...
Kaya siguro, hindi siya kahit single dad kasi nakitaan niya nga ng alpha male yung lalaki, which is yun ang sasabihin natin mamaya, no? Hindi ko pa napapanood to, pare. So okay na example to.
To be a baby. So I think for me, my personality is individually I'm mature, but kapag may other person I tend to be a baby. So what do you think about that?
How do you think am I taking care of my kids?
Woo! Okay. Ang ganda nung sinabi ni girl doon, pare. Okay, so nagigets nyo, pare. Pag ang babae na mature, sabi nga niya, mature siya. Okay, so pinag-uusapan natin to. Ang babaeng mature, no? Kala nyo alpha female, pero mature lang siya. Once makaramdam sa'yo ng pagiging alpha male, naturally, pare, lalabas yung pagiging babae niyan. Okay? Kaya siya naging interested doon sa lalaki, Brad. Okay? So the way he talks, no? The way he carries the answers ng mga babae, kung paano siya hindi mag-burn ng bridges, hindi siya immature mag-react sa pag-reject sa kanya, nakitaan siya ng pagiging alpha male, na willing na yung babae. Tinanong siya na, anong feel mo dun sa magiging baby ako pagkadating sa nakaramdam ako ng alpha. Sabihin ko sa kanya, then, I will take care of you. Diba? You become my baby, I will take care of you. So, pasok ka sa akin. Diba? So, tignan natin yung sagot ni Tropa.
I provide for them, I give them a house, fund their education, practically babies.
Well, that's what a father do naman talaga. You provide to your kids. But I don't know yet on how you take good care deeply sa kanila. Kung paano mo sila tinatrato, kung pinapagalitan mo ba sila in a good way or yung hindi natin gusto. So, although magkalapit yung age bracket natin, I love that. Yung mentality lang siguro. Kasi syempre, iba na yung world mo, iba na yung world ko. So, yon.
We can collide the worlds. Well, there's this song.
Nakikita nyo pare? Nakikita nyo yung galaw ni Tropa? Ito yung, kung nanonood kayo, kung solid JOP kayo, nanonood kayo ng mga videos ko, alam niyo siya tawag ko na wordplay. Di ba? Types of flirting. Lagay ko dyan sa taas yun. Panoorin nyo yun. Yung nire-rebat niya, pare, nakikita nyo, kanina niya pag ginagawa yun, nire-rebat niya yung sinasabi ng babae in a flirty way. Nung sinabi ni girl, no? Iba yung world natin. Di ba? Sabi, iba yung world natin. Sasabihin niya, we can collide the worlds. Di ba? It's a type of flirting. Yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo yung flirting, pare. Na word play. Okay? May sinabing word yung babae, lalaroin nyo, ibabalik nyo sa kanya. Okay? So, ginagawa niya dito.
It's a song by 112. It's called Cupid. It does say there, we won't know unless we give it a try. I don't want to put words in your mouth saying that I'm this, I'm that, I'm this and that. Along the way, you might say, you're a liar. You said you're this. Now you're this. I don't want to be in that position. I'm a very or extremely honest guy. I want to tell you, in all honesty, I don't have an answer to that. I really want to find out. When it comes to mentality, I'm a self-made man. I've always been on my own since I was a kid. And growing up, I've always brought myself in and out of situations, survive this life no matter how hard it gets. Having you said that you are putting another person in your life, things will change. And I want to find out how I will deal with the change. Would you want to find out with me?
Do you have any response to that?
We'll see then.
Alright, abangan.
Yun. I think si Tropa, dahil nga mature na to, may dalawang anak na to, gising na sa katotohanan to, no? At alam niya na yung sasabihin niya at hindi. Okay? Yung tanong ni girl kasi kung paano yung relationship niya, mindset niya sa parents niya, mahirap talaga i-explain yun. Okay? Mga anak niya lang ang makakapag-explain nun. Kaya ang pinakamagandang sagot talaga doon, no, is let's find out. Di ba? Hindi ko masasagot talaga yan dahil medyo malalim yun. How about let's find out. He didn't pop your balloon. You like so far yung mga ginawa ko. Let's find out. Kung ayaw mo, pag nag-date na tayo, kung ayaw mo sa akin, hindi wag. Di ba? So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, bro, na kaya siguro may game na rin to si Tropa, no? Kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo minsan, pagka maraming tanong yung babae sa inyo sa chat, di ba? Huwag niyong sagutin na sa chat. Sabihin niyo na lang makipag-date. Sagutin ko yan, makipag-date ka sa akin. Di ba? Same logic yun dito. Pag maraming tanong yung babae about sa'yo na hindi mo naman masagot, hindi wag mo nang sagutin. Sabihin mo na lang, let's try na lang. Di ba? Tignan mo na lang. Di ba? So, magkakaroon ka pa ng chance, di ba, na alam mo na, di ba? Uwi mo sa flirting, seduction, and what. Yung gusto niyang malaman sa'yo, makakalimutan niya na yun. Okay? So, yun yung ginagawa niya rito.
What question would you like to ask them to help you kind of determine kung sino mas kamatch mo sa kanilang dalawa?
I want to know if you practice or play any kind of sport.
I don't know if freediving is a part of sport, but I do swim. So far, yun pa lang yung pinagtutunan ko ng pansin. I do freediving. Yun yung how I exercise para maging fit. I don't go to the gym regularly because wala akong kasama. So, I love to have someone na makakasama ko. Kasi especially, I'm a woman.
Perfect fit tong dalawang to, pero again, yun din ang gusto kong malaman No, pagka meron akong, kunyari single ako, if I would enter the dating scene again, pare, isa sa mga requirements ko gusto kong malaman, may hobby ka ba bilang babae? Hindi pwedeng nasa cellphone ka lang lagi, nakahilata ka dyan sa bahay ninyo, inuman lagi, club ka lang lagi. Hindi potential partner yun, mga ganon. Okay? Potential party goer, potential hoe facer, yung mga ganon. Pero gusto ko may hobby ka ba? Diba? Meron ka bang passion? Right? And I think yun din dapat ninyong nahanap sa mga babae, pare. So, nakukuha ko na ito si Tropa, ano na to, alam niya na yung game, pare.
Pag, pupunta sa gym, mas maraming guys, so it's kind of awkward for me to go to the gym alone.
Okay.
Any response to that? Baka pwede mo siyang samahan sa gym?
I want to address this by saying I used to have a gym. Well, it's no longer open, but if it is, of course, free membership, free all.
So dating you comes with a free membership,
Yeah.
if that gym still was a thing.
Let me just get to the bottom of this. The reason I ask this particular question is, as a martial artist who is into sports and all that, I remember sharing with you girls that I am big time when it comes to loyalty. And truth be told, that's the only thing I ask of. Only thing. You might not be as pretty as you think or whatsoever. You might go fat along the way. It might really not bother me at all in the long run. What will bother me a lot is disloyalty. And practicing sports will promote and
Discipline.
improve your discipline. Discipline relates to self-control. The reason you will not cheat on me is self-control. We are all going to be tempted one way or the other. Whatever your status is, you may be married, have a boyfriend, this and that. And I can tell you, men will pursue you. Regardless, we don't care what your status is. Men are men. Testosterone is oozing.
I think wala na tayong kailangan pag-usapan dito, pare. No? Si Tropa, gets na natin. Ito siya yung pinag-uusapan na natin yan. May game siya, yes. And alam niya yun. No? Alam niya yung game natin. So, ang pag-uusapan natin ito, bakit saying no will get you respect. Kung ayaw sa kanya, ini-explain niya kung bakit. Okay? Hindi siya, wala kayong narinig na uma-agree siya. Ino-oppose niya kung bakit ganito, pero in a good way. No? In a educational purpose way niyang sinasabi. Para alam ng babae yung sinasabi, alam ng babae. No? Hindi siya nag-a-agree kung bakit ayaw sa kanya ganito, ganyan. No? And isa yung sa pinag-uusapan natin dito di ba? That saying yes all the time, no? Saying yes and yes, agree ako sa iyo, lalo na sa babae, will get you no pussy, pare. Yung pussy is figurative, no? Pero ibig ko sabihin doon is hindi mo siya makukuha, hindi mo makukuha yung respeto niya, hindi mo makukuha yung attraction na hinahanap pag puro ka yes, yes The more you say no, or the more you say no, or hindi man directly no, pero may iba kang idea na binato sa kanya na iba doon sa gusto niya, no? Is a message sa babae na, uy, hindi ako push over, di ba? Kaya nga yung babaeng, yung chicks doon, yung isa, nakitaan siya ng alpha male, di ba? That's how alpha males move. No, hindi sila oo ng oo. Meron silang ibang idea, bibigay nila sa'yo. Hindi sila magno-no sa'yo, hindi sila mag-iiyak, hindi sila magtatantrums, pare. Magbibigay lang sila ng idea sa'yo. Ito yung, okay, yan yung idea mo, ito idea ko, kung bakit hindi ako agree sa'yo. Diba? So, yun, nakuha ni girl yun dun, na naramdaman niya yun dun sa kanya. Which is, basic yun, pare. No? Pero bihira kasi tayo makita ng ganyan in person at tawag dito, sa mga game show na ganito kasi madalas niya puro mga support ang ini-invite nila. Pero si Tropa, okay. Ang deal breaker lang talaga is may anak nga siya, so may sabit. Diba? Lahat naman tayo ayaw natin ng may sabit. Or hindi naman sa ayaw natin, pero hindi na siya desirable. Diba? Pero ito, dahil dun sa, hindi natin napis yung video, no? Pero for sure ako, dahil may babae ng pinakamaganda pa sa kanila ang nag-show ng interest. At parang ang sweet pa nilang dalawa. Yung mga babae nag-reject sa kanya, malamang sa malamang may inggit ng nararamdaman yun. Okay, may inggit na nararamdaman yun. So, yeah, that's the game Yun yung game, no? So, again, pare, hindi na galing sa akin yun Hindi na galing sa bibig ko lang. Nakita nyo mismo, di ba? Na pagka you move like an alpha male, you talk like an alpha male, you communicate like an alpha male, babae na mismo makakaramdam sa'yo nung kahit may sabit ka, magdadalawang isip silang pakawalan ka. Okay? Dadalawang isip silang pakawalan ka. Pero Pero, hindi naman yan, again, pagiging alpha male, hindi yan damit na pagka sinabi, gusto ko alpha male, pak. Dahil ganun na yung galaw niya pare, kasi for sure ako 34, ano ba, 34 na siya, 30, tama ba? Marami na siya napagdaanan, may dalawa na siyang anak. Oh, so, hiwalay sila ng asawa niya, nakaranas na ng mga shit yan sa buhay, may gym siya na nagsarado na, so, nag-business siya, nag-fail. So, alam niya na yung katotohanan ng buhay. So, again, isa pa to na magpapatunay na pag marami ka na napagdaanan, pare, automatically, yung pagiging alpha male mo, lumalabas na yon, no? Hindi ikaw makakapansin nun yung mga nasa paligid mo, which is, it shows. Sabi ng babae. Diba? Hindi naman niya sinabi, hindi naman niya binanggit, I'm an alpha male. Hindi. Yung babae na ang nakaramdam nun. Diba? Nakaramdaman niya yun doon sa how he conversates, how he carries himself, pare. Okay? Hindi nakayuko, naka-stand straight. Diba? Eh, nalaman-laman mo, martial artist pala. No? Diba? So, active. Tangina, pinag-uusapan natin dito yun eh. No? So, alam na natin yung mga ganun. So, I hope nakatulong yung video na yun, pare. Shout out sa nag-send sa akin noon, and shout out kay pare. Sa tingin ko magkakasundo rin tayo, bro, no? So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, pare. Comment down below kung ano masasabi ninyo. Hit the bell para notify kayo sa mga bago nating videos. Once again, this is Josh On Point. See you next time. Boom. Bro, no? Available lahat to. Yung perfume natin, lahat ng fragrance natin, bro. Shopee. Yeah, that's it for me, guys. This is Josh On Point. See you next time.